Thanks for the introduction, Kevin. I appreciate it. So I'm Neil Keown, founder of Sawback Technologies, and I'm a remote sensing company that is working on a solution for near-surface data collection and analysis. We've spent the last 2 decades in oil and gas and construction industries before taking on this new challenge. So our clients had asked us how they could find buried objects like pipelines and utilities by utilizing drones or other vehicles, and how they would be able to do this over large areas, both accurately and cost effectively. So we began asking a couple more questions, and it turns out that who is involved in excavations, specifically energy companies, need to know what is underneath the ground before they dig. So as we began exploring the market size of this challenge, um, we found out there's over 47,000 reported incidents that occur annually on the 5.3 million kilometers that are buried across North America. Sorry. Uh, with the number of incidents that high, there is an indirect and direct cost of roughly $300,000 per incident. So we also found that many of these pipelines have poor location and depth information, as was common practice to register the location of a pipeline with an accuracy measured in meters and not required how deep they were installed. So currently the existing technology that is used to find these objects works really well in the areas the size of a tennis court. The same technology needs to be touching the ground at all times and is simply too heavy and slow and expensive to use for large areas. The existing solutions also rely on highly skilled technicians to interpret the data, which can lead to lengthy delays before a report can be sent to the end user, which can often take days before digging can start. We developed our proprietary solution to ensure that it can collect the critical data without actually having to touch the ground. So although it can be used on a drone, it can also be installed on a vehicle or carried by personnel and used without the need of a skilled technician. The solution focuses on a critical 1 to 2 meter burial depth for pipelines and utilities and records centimeter accurate location and depth information. This gives our clients the ability to check for buried pipelines in a right of way that is 1 kilometer long, which takes upwards of 4 weeks, and $100,000, but our solution will take downwards of 2 days and a fraction of the cost. So by collecting their data, our clients can then send the data to the cloud using our proprietary machine learning analytics software to generate accurate and reliable reports instead of within hours instead of the days and weeks. In a world with an overwhelming amount of data, our clients get easy to understand results that can visualize that they can visualize quickly so they can get to work faster. To provide the flexibility to our clients, we are offering our solution in 2 different ways. For those clients who want to protect their employees and buried infrastructure from incidents, we can provide a real-time alert system which can talk directly to their existing as well as new excavator systems. For our enterprise and service level clients, our analytics package will be able to provide reports that can be integrated into your existing visualization packages. So we are currently looking for new clients as well as investors to help us along on our journey, help us realize our vision. And we are specifically looking for insights as well as contacts. So if this is you, please reach out and contact us and connect with me directly, and we take the next step together. Thanks.